Hi yogis, Kathy here. Welcome to my channel, Yoga by Kathy. This is my first postnatal yoga class I'm posting here. I just had a baby about 5 months ago, so still working back with regular yoga practices, and I'm hoping to share more with you throughout my journey. So this is a quick 10-minute postnatal yoga practice. During pregnancy, our bodies are always expanding and working with a lot of relaxin hormones. So after birth, we want to start building more muscles to help tighten the abdominals, give some more muscle tone back into our arms, our legs, our abdominals, and of course still stretching very gently and safely through the shoulders and hips. So in this class, we're going to keep it very simple. You don't need any props. I want this to be very accessible for you so you can whip out your phone and flow along anywhere in the house. I usually find a little space between the coffee table and the baby swing. I want this class to be very fuss-free, easy, and a quick way to get in your 10-minute workout for the day. Remember to speak to your healthcare provider or OB to get the clearance for any type of physical activity. My outfit today for practice is by Jed North, an awesome Canadian company. They make really affordable yoga and streetwear that you can wear on the mat as well as off the mat. I'll leave their website below in the description so you can go check them out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if there's any other classes you'd like to see or work on in the future in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to receive more videos just like these straight to your inbox every week. Let's get started. Okay, let's begin by taking a seat in easy pose. So sitting with ankles crossed. If this isn't comfortable, you can roll the mat up or take a cushion and place it underneath your seat. Let's take a big inhale, roll the shoulders up towards our ears. As you take an exhale, breathing out through the mouth, drop the shoulder blades down your back. Let's do 2 more. Shrug the shoulders up. Inhale. Exhale, drop the shoulder blades back. 1 more time, roll the shoulders up. Exhale. Drop the shoulder blades down. Let's take an inhale, reach the arms up, interlace the fingers, press the hands up, reaching up through the palms, get tall through the spine, and just begin to add a slight side to side movement. Laterally bend to the right and to the left. Let's come back to center. Take your back foot, place in front, and we'll take a breath in, reach the arms up this time, taking a twist over towards the right side, nice and easy. Sit up tall, right hand supporting the back behind you. Breathing in, lift the chest. Exhale, gently twist. Maybe guiding your gaze back behind the back shoulder. And we'll come back to center, repeating on the other side, breathing in, stretching up, grow tall. Exhale, bring a gentle twist to the body. Keep both sit bones rooted on the ground. Moving with the breath. And we'll return back into center, crossing over your ankles as come forward, making your way into a table position. So shoulder, elbows, wrists stacked together. Hips over the knees. Let's take a deep breath in, drop the belly, lift the chest, looking up. As you exhale, start to pull the navel in, press the floor away, chin tucks under. Inhale, arching through the spine, looking forward. Exhale, chin tucks in, tailbone tucks under, pushing the floor away. 1 more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, chin to chest. Coming back into your table, finding a neutral spine. We're going to take the right leg back, point the toes. Start to engage the core, pull the belly button into the spine. Find your balance, maybe left fingertips come up off the floor, stretching and holding here. Taking a breath in. And let's open up to the diagonal. So open your hand and feet in opposite directions, keeping your core steady. Exhale, round knee to elbow. We're going to build up a little bit of strength and energy in our bodies with the next few movements. And release, coming back to the floor. Let's switch sides. So extending the left toes back. Coming up onto your right fingertips or hover the hand off the ground. Find your balance. Take a breath in. Exhale, we open up to the diagonal. Inhale back to center with control. Exhale in, knee to elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhale, open. Bring it back to center, knee to elbow. Last time, try to connect your movement with the breath, keeping the core steady. Continue to draw the belly button in and lower the hands down to the floor. We'll curl the toes, lift the knees, send the hips back, coming into a quick downwards facing dog, nice and easy, bending through the knees, dropping the chest, pressing down to your hands. And we'll walk the hands back to meet our feet at the back of the mat, draping forward, grabbing for opposite elbows, or you can interlace the hands behind your back. Nice and easy sway to the body, nod your head up and down, and we'll release. Inhale, rolling all the way up. Take a big breath in as you come up to standing, hands together. Exhale, hands to heart center. We're going to take a big step forward with the left foot, coming up onto the balls of your back toes, facing forward. Inhale, sweep the arms up, bouncing a few times into your hips. Nice easy stretch for the hip flexors. Keep your back leg steady. And open up, drop the back foot down, parallel that foot to the back edge of the mat. Stretch your arms in opposite directions. And we'll straighten out that front leg. Inhale, stretch the left hand forward, right hip back. We're going to tip from the hip, drop the hand down onto the shin or ankles, and look up. Option to sweep your top arm behind, open through that shoulder. Deep breath into the chest. And bring your gaze down. Let's come all the way back up. Pivot your feet so we're facing the long edge of the mat. Bring your toes in a little bit closer together so your toes are pointing out, heels pointing in. We're going to sweep the arms up as we exhale. Take a nice deep squat, strong through the legs. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hold here. We're going to bring our hands to the inner thighs and start to rock from side to side. Pausing the center for a shoulder stretch. So we're going to drop our left shoulder to the center and add a slight twist to the body, looking over your back shoulder. Coming back to the middle, we'll switch sides. Drop your right shoulder down to the center. Twisting and looking up over your back shoulder. And return back to the center. Let's come on up and face the back edge of your mat. Coming back into our high lunge. So picking up your back toes off the floor, reach the arms up. Firing up the legs. Find your balance by keeping your gaze steady on one point. Maintain your breath. And exhale, drop the back foot down. Open up the arms. Looking forward over that front middle finger. Inhale, straighten the front leg. Reach your right hand forward, left hip back. Triangle. Stretch the hands in opposite directions. Really active through the hands. Option to take your top arm behind, resting it onto your low back. And release, gaze down. Let's come all the way up. And bring the hands down to the floor. Take an inhale, look forward. Exhale, fold. You can walk your hands back in line with your feet. Dropping the chest, dropping the head. Nice stretch into the hamstrings, into the legs. From your wide-legged pose, we're going to walk the hands forward, bring the knees down to the floor. Put the toes together and shift the hips back, coming to a quick child's pose, dropping the head down towards the floor, hips towards the heels. Gentle decompression through the spine. Relax the head. And let's inhale, lift all the way back up. Left hand to the center of the mat. Let's walk the knees out to the edges of the mat. Take inhale, right arm up. As we exhale, we're going to take this right arm all the way across towards the other side. Top hand reaching forward, or you can swing this top arm back, resting onto your low back. Nice and easy shoulder opener. And release, bring the head underneath the head. Inhale, lift this top arm up. And exhale, let's switching to the opposite side. So bring your right hand to the middle, left arm up. Take an exhale, left hand all the way down and across over to the other side. Top hand can stretch up overhead. Deep breath in. Exhale, breathing down your back. Bring some length into your back muscles. also stretching into the hips. And we'll release. Inhale, take this top arm up. Exhale, hands to heart center. We'll sit back, take the legs forward, and make our way down onto our backs. From your back, let's walk the feet in, gently touching the back of the heels with your fingertips. We're going to do a few rounds of floating bridges. So inhale, press and lift the hips up high. Squeeze the knees to the center line of the body. And exhale, lower back down. Inhale, press and lift the hips. And exhale, lower back down. One more time, inhale, lift. Squeeze the glutes, bring the knees together. And exhale, lower down, very easy. Slowly down onto the mat. Bring your right ankle over the left knee. Let's reach up, grabbing for the shins and come back down to the floor, stretching into the glutes, pressing this right knee away from you as you draw the left knee in towards the chest. Maybe rotating nice and slow through the ankles, point and flex the toes at the same time. And we'll release and switch sides. So crossing your ankle over the thigh, reach up, grabbing for the back of the leg or the shin, and exhale, lower the low back down to the floor, completely flat against the mat. Drawing your right knee in, pressing the left knee away from you this time. Maybe adding some point and flex through the ankles and toes. And we'll release. Bring the feet down. Let's roll over to the right side of the body, coming to a fetal position. Knees tucked in towards your chest, hands underneath your head. 3 deep breaths into the back of the spine. And let's give ourselves a push. Coming back up into seated. And we'll finish the same way we started, in easy pose with ankles crossed. Thank you, yogis, for practicing with me. I hope you were able to carve out some time for your own practice today. Please remember to subscribe to my channel to receive more postnatal yoga practice coming in the future, as well as checking out some of my other yoga classes ranging from beginners all the way to advanced classes. Have a great rest of your day. Namaste.